There are many different types of people that may use Paxton10. Each of them may want to see different information. For this reason, Paxton10 supports dashboards. These allow you to set up a single screen with the information that is most relevant. You can create as many dashboards as you like. As with every other aspect of Paxton10, they can be permissioned so only certain users of the software can see them. To create a new dashboard, use the Add New control in the ribbon bar. The Add Widget pop-up automatically appears and you can start creating your dashboard. Adding a widget couldn't be simpler. Let's add an event widget here. The widget can be configured to show only the events you're interested in. The widget can be resized and moved as required. All widgets can be expanded to show more information. Finally, give your dashboard a name and save it. There are many types of widget, and the list is growing all the time. The Alarm Systems widget shows the status of any intruder or fire alarms on the system. The Video widget shows live footage from video cameras. It can be expanded to allow navigation to archive video footage. The System Alerts widget monitors any system alarm event such as door being left open. The Soft Buttons widget allows buttons to be placed on the dashboard that perform specific functions such as opening a car park barrier. The Business Card widget shows in real time the photo and details of people passing through specified access points. This can be used to confirm their identity. The Site Plan widget allows site plans to be accessed right from within your dashboard. You can access doors and cameras from a site plan, as well as navigate into other site plans. The Who's In Today widget shows a list of all people that have used the system today. As you can imagine, there are thousands of different configurations you can create. Here is a dashboard used for video monitoring. Here is a dashboard that can be used by a security guard. They can view any alarm events, use the sitemap to see system activity and view video, as well as turning on the floodlights using soft buttons. Dashboards can be viewed in full screen if required. Here is a dashboard that is used by a receptionist. They have a camera view of the car park. They can see who is in today. They have a business card widget so they know who is passing through reception. And they have a button to open the car park gate if required. Rather than adapt to the software, Paxton10 dashboards adjust to you. Like most things in Paxton10, dashboards can be set up as a favourite using the control in the ribbon bar. Favourites are unique to you and appear in the home screen. If required, you can have the dashboard appear as soon as you log into the software. This is achieved through the favourite settings. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, have a look at some of our other videos.